Hey and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to start with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll cover what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can start using it. At the end, I will give you some examples of questions you can ask. Make sure you watch till the end. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model that was developed by OpenAI. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. This means that ChatGPT can answer a wide range of questions, and it can engage in natural conversations with users. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT uses a neural network architecture called a transformer, which allows it to understand and generate natural language. When a user enters a question or message, ChatGPT processes it and generates a response based on the context and the information it has learned from the training data. The responses generated by ChatGPT are often very natural and can be difficult to distinguish from human-generated responses. How to start with ChatGPT? If you want to start using ChatGPT, there are several ways to do so. I will show you the most simple way. You can go to this website of OpenAI. You can find the link in the description below this video. To start, you have to create an account. This is for free. You can use your email and there you go. Now you are in, and you can start asking questions. Some examples of questions you can ask are: how do I make a chocolate cake? What is the meaning of life? How do I fix a leaky faucet? These are simple questions, but there is more. If you were wondering what Steve Jobs would think of ChatGPT, you can ask the following. Can you answer the following question as if you are Steve Jobs? What do you think of ChatGPT? This can be the answer. As Steve Jobs would say that ChatGPT is an impressive demonstration of the potential of AI and natural language processing. It's incredible to see how far we've come in terms of our ability to develop machines that can understand and respond to human language. The fact that ChatGPT can engage in conversations with people and provide helpful answers to their questions is a testament to the power of this technology. At the same time, I believe that we still have a long way to go before AI can truly replicate the full range of human intelligence and creativity. While ChatGPT is certainly impressive, it's still limited by the data and algorithms that underpin its operation. As we continue to develop AI and push the boundaries of what's possible, I believe we'll see even more remarkable innovations in this field. So now you can start using ChatGPT. It is a powerful tool for natural language processing and conversation generation. There are many ways to start using ChatGPT in your life. I hope this video has been helpful in getting you started with ChatGPT. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your own AI adventure.